welcome back everyone. My name is Tech Weasel. I'm a 12-year-old kid and I code Roblox games. While none of my videos are on the notorious popular games page, I definitely don't really care because I haven't truly attempted that. I've decided my skills might be put to better use teaching other people to get their games on the popular page. So, I've decided to create my own how-to tutorial videos on Roblox Luau code. This is video number 4 in this The Basics series that I'm doing. In the last 2 videos, we made power-ups that change the player in specific ways, including mild speed bonuses, health bonuses, or ones that even eliminate the player. KO. In the very last video, I taught you how to make tools. With that knowledge, you can make many tools that will increase health, even kill the player, although I don't know why anyone would use that. And of course, the one we actually made in the video, a major speed boost power-up that lasts for infinity, and other power-ups can even be equipped. Pretty good, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to expand on the last video on tools by showing you a bit more about tools that you might need to know. More to our code. First thing you want to do is grab your basic tool out of Starter Pack and move it into Workspace. You should now be able to see the blue orb again, because it's actually in the open world. First, we're going to make it so that the tool toggles off its effects as soon as you change it in your inventory or let go of it. This way, there'll be a simple way to change back. Click Enter 2 times after going under End. Click on the middle of those two and write name the function whatever you like. While I'm not actually dropping it, I'm going to write on drop because I know what this means personally. Write whatever you want it to be called, click enter until you have an end. A bit more complicated this time because we can't just copy this code. Once it's unequipped, it will no longer be in the player, but instead in their inventory. So you're going to have to write script.parent.parent, that's the inventory, then dot parent one more time, and then dot character. Because while you have a character in the workspace, you also have a player in this players tab, and that's where your inventory is. Dot humanoid dot walk speed equals 16. It must be exactly 16. That is the default walk speed. If you want to return the player to normal, 16. Unless your game, you have added custom code that makes it so the default walk speed is different, and they start out with something like 20, that's what you want. Okay. Try clicking, you'll be running really fast. Let go of the tool by clicking 1, and you're still going really fast. Now, you did not make a mistake. If you're new to the channel, you may not know what I'm doing, but I did this last video too. I want to remind you not to make this mistake, so I'm going to show you the result of when you do this. We have this function, but nothing makes the function happen. I repeat, do not forget this. Something has to make the function happen. I'm sorry to make you think you messed up, but you need to remember to always write this. It will cause you a lot of problems, and you'll be very confused why it did not work. Anyway, script.parent.unequipped. Connect. And the final thing, write the name of your Write the name of your function. On drop. Good. Test it. It'll load after a couple seconds, and it won't be in the starter pack, of course, because we removed it from there. Walk over your power up, click, there goes super speed, and this time you're going to have a different result when you click 1. It's going to feel really slow, but believe it or not, that's the default walk speed in Roblox. It feels really fast in many games, or feels just kind of normal, but once you've had that speed boost, it will never feel normal again. Even this might feel a bit more normal, but believe it or not, that's actually 4 notches too high. Not a big difference, though. You'll also notice that this stops players from being too overpowered. They may have super speed, but as soon as they unequip it to go to their sword, they're back to normal speed. So they'll run up to the other player, sword them, but the other player can run away at the same speed. Oh no. I'm gonna go over the edge. Barrel roller! Oh. Surprising. Okay, next let's go over something not necessarily related to tools, but related to the power-ups that will go in hand with tools to make it so you can make your characters really fast. In this video, I mentioned that this yellow speed up power-up actually slows you down while using the other power-up. Let's change that. Click on your tool or power-up. Remember, these are tools, these are power-ups. You might want to rename it something like speed up, so you actually know which one it is and you can easily click it in the Explorer. Go into its script and change only one thing. Replace 20 with human.walkspeed plus 20. So now it will replace it. Instead of humanoid.walkspeed equals 20, it equals humanoid.walkspeed plus 20. If you think this is too much and want to get the same speed boost that the last one gave you, actually write 4. But I want to be able to notice the difference even when we've equipped the power-up as well. The tool power-up, man, there's a lot of different kinds of power-ups. Don't get confused. If that works, you should be able to use your new tool that will give you a speed boost, run over the other power-up, the one that gives you speed as well, and get even faster. Bam! Look at that! Look how fast I am running. Look at that air! Did you see how far I got in that one jump? Knock that over. Push this with ease. Ha! I'm faster than it. I went over it. I can't barrel roll now. I just go over it. Ha! You'll notice I was running so fast that I actually made the barrel go the other way. Pretty sweet, huh? Well, it's about to get better when I show you how to make a tool that gives you health. Grab your basic tool in the Explorer or on the ground, right-click it, click Duplicate, use the Move tool to move the duplicate out of the original, change its color, and even change the material if you want. Remember, you can't just change the tool's color, you actually have to change the handle for it to work. There's our new power-up. We're just going to go in the code, and we're going to change one word. Walk speed is being changed to health. We're also going to delete this entire on drop thing because that's not usable for a health power up. So go up here, change health, write script dot parent dot humanoid, because remember, you can't just set it to 20, you have to set it to add 20. Dot health equals, plus 50. There's no way to test this at the moment, so we're going to make a way to test it. Go into your old damaging power-up that you should have from 2 videos ago, and instead make it so it takes away 75 instead of 100. Click play here. Walk over it, you'll be 3/4 to dying. Go grab your other tool, click, and you'll get most of your health back, but not all of it. But the problem is that you can click again and you'll be at full health. That's the part we need to change. We want this power up to be a 1 use. I'll show you how to do that right now. This from the first video, simply write script dot parent destroy. And that's simple as that. The final thing I want you to do is move your basic tool, which you might want to rename, because it's no longer basic, speed tool. You will notice I named the other one health tool. Move that one into starter pack if you want. That way everyone can get one every time they spawn. You might as well give everyone 1 heal tool when they spawn, but if you want, there can only be 1 heal tool. Or you can use the duplicate as I showed you and make it so there's a bunch around the map. Anyway, thank you for watching my video on tools part 2. I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell for notifications. I post a video every day. I'm Tech Weasel, and I'll see you all later. Bye! Oops.